Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making teriyaki chicken. You will need 2 boneless chicken thighs, 1 scallion, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and canola oil for frying. Rinse and dry your thighs, then sprinkle with the flour on both sides. Add your oil to the pan and using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now brown your thighs for 5 minutes on both sides. Remove your chicken from the pan, then cut into strips and set them aside until later. To the same pan, add your water, soy sauce, honey, and vinegar. Now add the garlic, ginger, and sugar, then mix well. Bring the liquid to a boil, then return the chicken to the frying pan. Now allow your chicken to simmer until it is both tender and completely cooked. Now move your chicken to the outer edges of the pan and continue simmering the liquid until it has reduced by half. After your sauce has reduced, top the chicken with the sesame seeds and scallions, and then it is ready to serve. If you're looking for restaurant quality teriyaki chicken, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps make